Everybody, this is Brian with the Instructional Technologies Coordinator team in the School District of Waukesha with another iPad Core App intro. And this one's about note-taking and simply using the Notes function or Notes app on your iPad. Lots of great apps out there that exist for notation and maintaining notes, sharing notes, being social. Not to say that Notes is the best one, certainly is not the only one, and you're welcome to use whatever makes sense for you, but I want to at least show you the Notes app and maybe save you some hours in going and looking for a good note-taking app just for some simple work here. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Notes app, this pad of yellow legal paper here, and you can see that I've got some notes up here. Okay, that I can shuffle through. Just a quick run through of some things. Up here in the upper left, we're going to click on the Accounts button. You can see that I'm bringing in multiple multiple device notes into this. So if you've got an iPhone or you've got some other, MacBook, something like this where you're taking notes, you can bring those into your iPad and push them back out to other accounts using your Apple ID. Here you've got a search tool, fully functional search tool that's in place, and sorry about that, fully functional search tool that actually lets you search within the notes that you've taken. So that's a nice way of doing some quick recall more than just the name of the note. Here you've obviously got all the different notes that you're taking with a timestamp on them. Okay. When we look at the upper right here, you'll see a couple of things. The first one is a plus. This is just a way to create a new note. So we're going to start with new notes for today. Okay, and it's pretty much as easy as just typing in there. You'll see the timestamp that appears, new notes right there. So we're all set with that. I'm going to put away my... All right, and then at the bottom of the app, I've got a couple of nice functions here. The first one is the send, and so that's that box with an arrow out. That's a common icon you'll see. I can send a note out to mail. I can send a message to people. I can print a note if I've got an iPad-enabled wireless printer available, or I can make a copy of a note if that makes sense to do so. I can also trash this particular note and delete it out of existence. Okay. Or I can just scroll quickly through my notes. What's nice about having notes in a digital format is they're first of all searchable, as we talked about up here. Okay, but also what's additionally nice about them is the ability to mail them out to other applications or mail them to a teacher. Let's say that today we're having a group of kids have a conversation while they're working through some group planning. At the end of that, they can create a note and mail that out to a group of different people, send them out to the other kids. Everybody's got notes from today. Teacher can have a copy of that notes set. So those are just some things that you can do with the Notes app. Nothing super fancy or marvelous about them, but understanding that it's there and what it can be used for is a pretty important feature of the iPad. So thanks a lot for your time, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us.